Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the Associative Array section. This is printing associative arrays. As with ordered arrays, using echo to print an entire associative array is not very useful. Here we have grades is assigned this associative array with the key Jane, value 98, key Lily, value 74, key Dan, value 88. If we echo grades, it prints array. We can combine each of the values contained by the array into a single string and use echo to print that. Echo implode. We print grade separated by a comma and the space. A problem with this technique is that it only displays the values. We don't see the keys in the array or the relationships between the keys and values. To display this information, we can use the built-in printr function. Print R with grades passed in. The above code will produce the following output. We have array, and our array is displayed with the key value pairs. Let's print some associative arrays. You're going to construct an array of the top grossing movies of September 1999 and how much money they made. Name your array September Hits. The array should have the following key value pairs. The key The 6 cents should point to the value 22,896,967. The key Stigmata should point to the value 18,309,666. The key Blue Streak should point to the value 19,208,806. The key Double Jeopardy should point to the value 23,162,542. You can use any method you'd like to construct this array. Let's do that now. Run that. We do pass. 2 says use the echo and the implode function to print the values in September hits. You can use any character you'd like to join the array elements. Let's do that now. Let's run that. We do pass, and we do see the values. Now, 3 says use the printr function to print September hits, which should give us the key in the values. Let's do that now. Run it. Don't forget the semicolon. And we do get our array with the key value pairs. So what we're learning here, printing associative arrays, is how we can display our array's values using implode and how to print the key values using printr. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting printing associative arrays, and I'll see you in the next one.